Hi, everyone, and welcome to the WP Minute. I'm Eric Karkovac. Today's episode features a segment from Matt's interview with Matt Telfer, Marketing Director at 20i, a pillar sponsor of the WP Minute. He stopped by to tell us about 20i's customer-first approach, their new AI assistant, and his take on the hosting landscape. Now, you can catch the entire interview over on our WP Minute Plus channel. Visit thewpminute.com for all the details.
This year we launched our own AI assistant that we called 20, and that has been it's been fascinating to see it to roll out and be used, because there's always a little bit of apprehension when you launch something so fundamental and what you hope is going to be a success, and you hope it's going to achieve certain goals for customers, and then once you release it to the wild, is it then going to do that, or are our expectations too high for it? But what we didn't want was just a simple bot which would basically just bring back answers from our knowledge base, because we have a knowledge base, a searchable knowledge base. Just putting an AI wrapper on it or giving it the little stars logo, which all the AI have, or making everything purple doesn't add any value. So what we wanted was a genuine AI tool which would, it can answer your question, but also it can look at code and tell you where you've gone wrong. It can write copy for you if you want to. It can come up with ideas for new domain names. It can actually query the data about your account. So how much bandwidth did you use this month? How did that compare to last month or last year or 2 years ago? Things like that. And it's been really great to see the kind of feedback we've got on this on 20, which has been super positive. But also, even when, as with anything that people have kind of hit dead ends, because it's ours, we've been able to go and fix it. We're not having to go to a third party and say, hey, these are our problems, and then waiting 6 months to a year for them to get around to it, because we own it and we developed it. And the team that works on it sits in the same office as I do, as support, as the sales team, as sysadmin. It's great, because then literally within hours, if it's a simple thing, or days if it's more complex, it's updated. So that's been probably the great thing, that it's just freed up time for our customers. It's enabled them to do more and faster, but also just from an internal process and resource. So if the customer's got a question which they can go to AI and get the answer for, that means that our support team is dealing with more complex problems, and they can spend more time on that, and that helps that customer. And the other customer's got a fairly straightforward question, gets the answer straight away. So that's been great to see as well. I think it's just speed and efficiency and accuracy, and hopefully more productivity, I think, is what we've seen so far in terms of the use of AI.
Yeah. Have you been, has the support team been using it for even that frontline support? Like, I've got a question, how do I reset my password? Is it serving up those types of answers? Or is it getting connected to a human straight away when somebody chats?
Yeah, so the way we've done it is, so the first attempt will be the AI, and honestly, more often than not, it gives the answer. But then there's always, like I said, there's always those edge cases where either the answer isn't quite right, or it simply doesn't know the answer to it because it's an edge case. And then we'll always then connect them with a human, and straight away they'll be on it. So yeah, it just hopefully just covers that 80%, which has been asked many, many times, and then the human will deal with the 20%, with that kind of old 80-20 rule, where 20% which it's a bit more complex and needs kind of a human brain still to get involved.